this lady called me, and I went to go visit them. We talked about a few different things, and then I went camping the following weekend. And I said by Tuesday, Juliette was trying to get a hold of me, panicking that I had to get over to see them before Friday, and it was really, really important. So I thought, well, okay, I'll get Jeff there, and I understand they're going, and we should go chat about maybe when they get back, we can get things lined up. In October, maybe they want to proceed. And so I walked into the house on the Thursday morning, and it was cleared out.
You can proceed right now.
I didn't know, so if I didn't pretend like I was shocked, she said, okay, so we're going tomorrow, and here's the key.
Use your best creative.
So I said, well, do you have half an hour to come to our office and pick out some paint and some hardware?
Yeah, we can do that.
So get things decided. So that is a super unique story and fun. But for me, as much as it should be easy and fun, somebody's gone, just go for it. It's not like that. It's really stressful, because what if at the end of the day you don't like it? Or what if our thoughts are different? What I envision and what you envision is different, and then you come home and it's not good. So
there were 2 or 3 people in this town with really good reputations, right? And we really knew right from the get-go, I had faith in you from the beginning, and whatever happens will happen, and it'll be fixed, because that's what you had always said, and I knew that would happen. So I was very comfortable with the process.
Well, honestly, it's because whatever we do, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. You just want people to love it.